In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a flowchart in PowerPoint 2007 in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you need to create a process diagram, outline a sequence of steps, or build a clean visual for a presentation, this method will help you do it quickly inside PowerPoint without needing any extra software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert a flowchart, choose the right layout, type your steps, and expand it when you need more boxes. And if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint 2007 and go to the slide where you want to place your flowchart. Once you're ready, look at the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all of the tools for adding objects, pictures, diagrams, and other visual elements to your slide. After you click Insert, you'll see a range of options appear below the ribbon. Now click SmartArt. SmartArt is one of the easiest ways to build a flowchart in PowerPoint because it gives you pre-designed layouts that you can customize instead of drawing every shape manually. When you click SmartArt, a new window will open with different diagram categories on the left side. Since we're creating a flowchart or process diagram, go to the Process category. This category is designed for showing steps in order, which makes it perfect for tutorials, workflows, timelines, and simple business processes. Once you're in the Process category, you'll see several layout options. A very good one to start with is Basic Process. This layout gives you a clean, straightforward flowchart structure with connected shapes that are easy to read. Click Basic Process to select it, and then click OK to insert it into your slide. PowerPoint will place the SmartArt graphic on the page and open the text pane so you can begin editing the content. Now it's time to enter your text in the shapes. You can click directly inside each shape and type your step names, or use the text pane on the side to enter the information in order. As you type, PowerPoint automatically fills the shapes in the flowchart. Keep your wording short and clear so each step is easy to understand at a glance. For example, if you're making a process chart for a presentation, you might enter step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. This keeps the chart neat and professional. If your process has more than the default number of steps, you can add more shapes easily. To do that, click on the SmartArt graphic and look for the Add Shape option in the SmartArt Tools area. This lets you insert another step into your flowchart without having to rebuild the entire diagram. You can add shapes before or after a selected box, depending on how you want the flow to continue. This is especially useful when your process gets longer and you need to include every stage clearly. After adding your extra steps, go back and review the layout. Make sure the flowchart reads in the correct order and that each shape contains the right text. You can also resize the SmartArt graphic if needed so everything fits nicely on the slide. If your chart looks crowded, shorten the labels a little or spread the diagram out across the page for better readability. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a flowchart in PowerPoint 2007 using SmartArt, how to choose the process category, how to select a layout like Basic Process, how to enter text, and how to add more shapes when you need additional steps. This is a fast and easy way to create professional-looking diagrams for school, business, or training presentations. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.